Hello everyone, I am Tejas. Today I am going to show one of my interesting book, List the Flap Question and Answer about nature. In this book there are more than 60 flaps to lift. That means there are more than 60 interesting facts to know. It is by Usborne. This book carries what, where, how, why, which, who type queries. Now I am going to say the contents for all of you. Page number 1 is which type question. Page number 2, 3 is where. Page number 4, 5 why. Page number 6, 7 what. Page number 8, 9 yes or no. Page number 10, 11 how. Page number 12 who. Now I am going to say one or two interesting facts from each page. Do you know which creature live in the rock pools? A plant-like animal called anemones. Shrimps, shellfish, crabfish. Do you know which trees grow the tallest? Redwood trees. They can grow taller than a building with 25 floors that over 100 meters high. Do you know where can I find a tadpole? In a quiet pond in the springtime where there are no fish. Fish always eat tadpoles. Always put the tadpole back in the pond where you found them. It's their home. Do you know where do the birds build their nest? This eagle has built its nest high up on the cliff where the hunter cannot reach. This duck has made on its nest on the floating plants. This woodpecker has made a hole and made its nest over there. Do you know why do we need worms? Worms dig up the soil and feast on the dead leaves. They make the soil good for the plant to grow. Why do they give plants V-shape? So that they can use the air from the wings that makes the bird easier to fly. Do you know what will be when we grow up? I am a cygnet. Now I am a graceful swan. I am a nymph. Now I am a darting dragonfly. We are tadpoles. Now I am a frog and I am a toad. I am a grub. Now I am a shiny beetle. Do you know what this duck is doing? Dabbling into the water, finding some food. I eat weeds and small creatures. Can I feed a butterfly? Yes. You hang the sweet fruits like an orange on the flower and then the butterflies will eat them. Do you know are the stars I see at night always the same ones? Yes, but they are not always in the same place. The earth keeps turning and we see the star change through the night and the year. How do the animals find their way? Butterflies find their way by the sun and the stars. The bees recognize the tree by the wind. Dog always sniffs the paths. Some may even use the Earth's magnetic force. The Earth is like one big magnet. Humans cannot see the magnetic force lines, but birds can sense them. Who says